free night promotions has a similar name, but it is very different from online promotions. The other thing that may be associated with free night promotions is free night packages. So I want to take a moment just to compare those two terminologies, a free night package versus a free night promo. Now, if you have seen our earlier webinar presentation on our packages, inclusions, and guest services modules inside RoomKey, you would have seen us make a free night package. We use the example fourth night free. Now, a couple of features of the free night package is that it is created in that packages and inclusions module. It is limited to only 4 consecutive nights. So if a guest books 5 nights or 6 nights, anything more than 4 nights or anything less than 4 nights, they would not have access to the free night package. The other thing about a free night package is that all of the room and tax is packaged as one charge that is posted on the guest arrival night. So for the fourth night free package, when the guest arrives, all room and tax for all of the stay, so 1, 2, and 3 nights, plus the free night on the fourth night, is posted all at once on their first night. So the benefit of that is that if the guest checks out early, say they check out on night after their second night, they are going to be still paying for the full package amount by default. So you're still able to capture the full revenue if the guest checks out early on night number 2. The other thing with these free night packages is that the ADR value will spike on that first day because all room and tax is being posted as one lump charge on their first night. So you're going to see a spike in ADR. And then for nights 2, 3, and 4, you will see a dip in your ADR because those room and tax will not be posting daily. All of it is posted as one lump charge on day 1. So a couple of things to keep in mind. We do go over those in detail when we're creating that during the packages and inclusions module if you'd like to see that, webinar if you'd like to see that in more detail. Now, comparing that to what we're looking at today, the free night promo, this is what we would maybe call every fourth night free. So this free night promo that we'll see is actually created inside the rates module. It is not associated with the packages and inclusions module at all. It's created separately. The free night promo can be limited like the free night package, or it could be repeatable. So that means that a guest could book 4 nights and receive a 4th night free. They could book 8 nights and they could receive the 4th night and the 8th night free. And you can also control that repeatable pattern. So if the guest books 12 or 16 nights, you can choose if you want that repeatable pattern to occur and give the guest the 12th night free and 16th night free. Totally up to you. It has a little bit more customization available to you when you're selecting if it's going to be limited or repeatable. The other thing with the free night promo is that room and tax is posted daily throughout the guest stay instead of being posted all at once on the first night. Of course, except for the free nights. On the free night, no room and tax is posted. So on the 4th night, they would still have that free. What this means is that if the guest books the free night promo and they check out early on night 2, it means that you are not going to be able to capture that revenue for the 3rd night unless you manually post a room charge for room and tax if they check out early. So that is one thing to be mindful of for the front desk. Likewise, for the accounting team, you will not see a spike in revenue, in your ADR. You will see regular ADR calculations for the first night, second night, and third night, but you will see a dip in your ADR calculation on the 4th night because, of course, that is the free night. There is no room and tax posted, even though the guest is still in-house. So a couple of important things to note when you're comparing the free night package to the free night promo that we'll be looking at today. Okay, so let's jump ahead and see how we can create a free night promotion. I'm going to do exactly what we saw in that comparison there. I'm going to create a every fourth night free promotion. So the first step to creating a free night promotion is to create a rate in the Rate Wizard. Now this rate, I'm creating it in the Rate Wizard because it makes it easier to manage from that one central location alongside any other rates you have created for your database. In the Rate Wizard, I'm going to create a rate that is distributed to both the Hotel Direct and the hotel website distribution channels. So it's going to be available to book from the front desk at the hotel, as well as the eRes booking engine. Oops. So let's see this step number 1 first. Sorry about that. There we go. Perfect. So in system configuration, I'm going to go to the Rate Wizard first. And you're going to create a brand new rate. Here I have already created it, called the Fortnight Free Promo. It's available to the hotel website and Hotel Direct, and it is tier enabled. When I click the Next button, I wanted to show you how this is tiered. So I'm going to go to the Rate Tiering tab at the top and show you that this is tiered off of the best available rate. It is equal to the best available rate. So whatever pricing is added to the best available rate is also tiered down to this fortnight promo. The other thing I've set up, if you click the Edit button, I'm going to attach the client types using the Client Types tab at the top. And for each distribution channel, I'm going to select a client type. So it's going to be a leisure client type when booked Hotel Direct, and the website eRes booking when it is available on the hotel website or eRes. Great. So once you have created your rate in the Rate Wizard, distributed out to the hotel website and Hotel Direct channels and tiered off of the best available rate, you can now move to step 2, where we will actually create the free night promo, and this time we're going to use the old rates module. Great. There we go. So once again, in RoomKey, you're going to go to System Configuration, and you're going to go directly to the Rates module. So just take a moment to open up on screen. When it opens up, you'll see that it is per room type. There we go. So here in the old rates module, we need to set this up per room type. And you need to scroll down until you see your fortnight free promo rate that is distributed. And you'll see 2 line items, one for Hotel Direct and the other for the hotel website. Off to the right-hand side, you'll click the Promos button. And this is where you will set up your promotion. You'll create a new promotion. You'll give it a name, Fortnight Free, and you'll select the dates that this promotion is applicable. So I've used the same dates, May 1st to August 31st. It is available for 4 consecutive nights, and they get 1 night free. This repeatable pattern is where you can control how that repeats. And if you leave that at 0, it means that it is not limited. It will continue to repeat. I'm just going to show you that process again for the hotel website channel. You'll click the New button, enter the promo name. So for night free, you'll click the Insert button. This is where you can enter the date range that this promotion is going to be available for. So May 1st to August 31st. The number of nights that the guest needs to book, so 4, and the free nights that the guest gets, or extra nights, and then the repeatable pattern. I'm going to leave that at 0 and click OK. You can now close out of this promo window, and you need to repeat that pattern for all additional room types. So it is a little bit of a tedious setup there in the old rates module, but once you set it up for the applicable room types, it will now be available to book. So let's take a look at what that looks like on eRes from the guest perspective of how to create, what it looks like to book that free night promotion. And I'm actually going to show you that from the room key itself. So if the guest calls in and they want to stay, I'm going to create a new reservation. Oh, it's going to pop up on screen here. And they want to arrive within the promotion. So from May 1st, stay 4 nights. And when I refresh my calendar, in the list of available rates, I will see my 4th night promo. If I scroll along here, it will show me the daily rate breakdown. So I've got the availability for 1st, 2nd, and 3rd of May, and then on the 4th of May, their 4th night, that is free. Now you'll see if you also have a 4th night package, here's my 4th night free package, that is very similar to my promo, where it charges room and tax for the first 3 nights, and then the 4th night is free. But if I was to increase my length of stay here, let's say I'm staying 8 nights, refresh my calendar, and take a look at my available rates, I'll see my 4th night is still available as a promotion. And because I enabled the repeatable pattern, it allows the guest to have a free night on May 4th, so the 4th night of their stay, and May 8th, which is the 8th night of their stay. So that 4th night free, they get every 4th night free. In comparison, if I go back to my package down here, you'll see that I don't even have the 4th night free package appearing because it is restricted to only 4 consecutive nights. It cannot be booked for 5 or more. So that is a benefit here whenever you're booking that 4th night promo. Now I do want to make note of one concern that we do get from time to time from some clients. Because the rate is actually available outside of the booking window. So if I was to book today for 4 nights, 4 nights, and I take a look at my available rates, I will still see my free night promo. But if I look at my breakdown here, you'll see that it's actually charging room and tax for all 4 nights. Because it is outside, I'm trying to book an arrival outside of my booking window for the promotion, which is May 1st to August 31st. The promotional value, or that free night, is not actually enabled until I book an arrival within that promotion range. So in order to prevent guests from, or front desk agents from booking this promo without the free night, what you can do in Rate Wizard is actually close this rate plan outside of the promotion dates. So I'm going to show you how to do that. In System Configuration, you're going to go to the Rate Wizard module. When you open up this module, you're going to go to your 4th night free promo. Click the Next button. And we're going to apply a restriction. We're going to close the rate. There we go. So I don't need to change any pricing information. I'm simply going to select the date from today's date through to the end of April. And I'm going to select Close. So I just want to close the rate plan completely and select Save. This is now going to close the rate plan if the guest tries to arrive before May 1st. So I can see that it's closed out. That's yesterday's date. It did remain open, but no one can book for arriving a past date anyway. So I'm going to do the same thing on the end of the promotion as well. So from September 1st, so the promotion ends August 31st, so starting September 1st through to the end of the year, where I have rates loaded, through to December 31st, I'm going to repeat that. I'm going to close the rate, so I'll select the Close checkbox here and click Save. RoomKey confirms that I'm going to close the rate, and when I select OK, I can now see in the rate calendar below that those dates are now closed. So if I close out of the Rate Wizard here and now try and make that booking again, If I try to arrive today for 4 nights, take a look at my available rates, you'll see that the 4th night promo is now not available. So if I try and book that rate, I would not be able to book it unless I override that restriction. So just a little something to keep in mind. If your promotions for dates in the future, you'll want to make sure to close the rate in the rate wizard outside of those promotion dates.